सभी को मेरा नमस्कार. I welcome you all in the class of the chapter Government Budget and the Economy. In the previous videos, I have taught you about the meaning and objectives of government budget and the components of government budget. In this video, I am going to cover the following topics: types of budget, measures of budget deficit, revenue deficit, fiscal deficit, and primary deficit. Let's begin with the types of budget. There are three types of budget. First is balanced budget. A balanced budget is one where estimated revenues are equal to estimated expenditure. It shows that government is not doing wasteful expenditure, and it shows the financial stability in the country. The second type of budget is surplus budget. A surplus budget is one where estimated revenues are greater than its estimated expenditure. The third type of budget is deficit budget. A deficit budget is one where estimated revenues are less than the estimated expenditure. In other words, we can say that when expenditure exceed income, the outcome is a budget deficit, which is funded by borrowing funds and paying interest on the borrowed money. It is similar to an individual spending more than he earns and carrying a balance on credit card. Our Indian government is also facing deficit budget since independence. You can see here, this is the picture of balanced budget. Here expenditure is equal to the revenue of the government. So the budget will be balanced when expenditure and receipt of the government are equal. That is the balanced budget. This is the picture of deficit budget when expenditure of the government is greater than the revenue of the government. You can see here expenditure of the government exceeds the revenue of the government, and government is taking loan to incur all the expenditure which government has to incur. Now, the measures of budget deficit. First measure of budget deficit is revenue deficit, then fiscal deficit, and the third measure of budget deficit is primary deficit. We have to study about the meaning and formula of all the types of budget deficit. First one is revenue deficit. Revenue deficit refers to the excess of government's revenue expenditure over revenue receipt, and the formula of revenue deficit is equal to revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts. The revenue deficit indicates that the government will not be able to meet its revenue expenditure from its current income, that is revenue receipts. When the government incur a revenue deficit, it implies that government is dissaving. That means government is using up the saving of other sectors of the economy to finance a part of its consumption expenditure. If we are facing revenue deficit in our country, that means the government will have to borrow not only to finance its investment but also its consumption requirement. This will increase borrowings of the government and burden of interest liabilities. That will eventually force government to cut its expenditure. Since major part of revenue expenditure is committed towards interest payment and defense expenditure, which cannot be reduced, so government has to reduce its productive capital expenditure, that is expenditure on acquisition of land, building machinery, equipments. Welfare expenditure government has to curtail down. This would mean lower growth and adverse welfare implications. Next measure of government deficit is fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit refers to the excess of government's total expenditure over its total receipts, excluding borrowings. And the formula for fiscal deficit is equal to total expenditure minus total receipts net of borrowings. Fiscal deficit will have to be financed through borrowings. So, the other name of fiscal deficit is borrowings. It indicates the total borrowing requirement of the government from all the sources. So, we can say that fiscal deficit is equal to net borrowing at home plus borrowings from Reserve Bank of India plus borrowings from abroad. The other formula of fiscal deficit is equal to net borrowings at home plus borrowings from Reserve Bank of India plus borrowing from abroad. These are the total borrowings of the government. Fiscal deficit is a key variable in judging the financial health of the public sector and the stability of the economy. A large fiscal deficit means large amount of borrowings. This creates a large burden of interest payment and repayment of loans in the future. A large fiscal deficit may also be inflationary if such borrowings are generally financed by issuing new currency. Revenue deficit is a part of fiscal deficit. So, large share of revenue deficit in fiscal deficit indicates a large part of borrowings is used to meet government's consumption expenditure rather than investment expenditure. You can see here in the picture, these are the receipts and expenditure of the government. Revenue receipt is 13,77,022. That is comprised of tax revenue and non-tax revenue. And capital receipt of the government comes out as 6,01,038. This is the contribution of recoveries of loan, other receipts and the borrowings of the government, and total receipt of the government comes as 19,78,060. Expenditure is divided into plan expenditure and non-plan expenditure. Plan expenditure comes out to be as total of 5,50,010 and total non-plan expenditure comes out to be 14,28,050. You can see here receipts are equal to the expenditure, and this can happen with this borrowings. Borrowings is 5,33,904, and the amount of borrowing is equal to the fiscal deficit of the government. We can say that government expenditure are greater than the government receipt with the amount of 5,33,904, for which government has to borrow, and that is the fiscal deficit. In 2019-20, you can see here the fiscal deficit comes as 3% of the total GDP, and capital expenditure is as 3,90,000, revenue expenditure 22,05,772. Total expenditure of the government comes out to be as 25,95,773, and revenue deficit comes out to be as 1.4% of the GDP. Now the primary deficit of the government. Primary deficit in a government budget is the difference between the fiscal deficit and the interest payment, and the formula of primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payments. Fiscal deficit is nothing but total borrowings of the government during the current year. The borrowing requirement of the government includes interest obligation on accumulated debt. The goal of measuring primary deficit is to focus on present fiscal imbalances, and to obtain an estimate amount of borrowing on account of current expenditure exceeding revenue, we have to calculate the primary deficit. Primary deficit indicates borrowing requirements of the government other than to make interest payment on accumulated debt. You can see here trends in deficit. Fiscal deficit is reducing year by year, and 2019 estimate was 3.4% of GDP. Revenue deficit comes to as 2.2% of GDP, and primary deficit comes as 0.2% of the GDP. These are the trends in deficit, that is fiscal deficit, revenue deficit and primary deficit. At last, we will recall all the types of deficit. First is revenue deficit. Revenue deficit refers to the excess of government's revenue expenditure over revenue receipt, and the formula of revenue deficit is equal to revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts. Fiscal deficit is the excess of government's total expenditure over its total receipts excluding borrowings, and the other name of fiscal deficit is the borrowings. Fiscal deficit formula is equal to total expenditure minus total receipts net of borrowings. Primary deficit is the difference between fiscal deficit of the current year and interest payment on the previous borrowings, and the formula of primary deficit is fiscal deficit minus interest payments. This was all about the types of deficit budget, and we are through with the chapter government budget and the economy. Thank you.